Hello and welcome to part 2 of our New Year's cruise adventure. In this video we boat through the mangroves to try and spot some manatees, go to a salsa class, and visit the best beach of the trip. Our first stop in this tour is a beautiful island paradise called Harvest Cay in Belize. We headed down to the marina to get on our boat to look for some manatees. The recent rain caused the water to be very murky, not allowing you to see below the surface at all. The only time you can see manatees is when they quickly poke their nose up for air. We saw a few more manatees come and go, but they disappeared faster than I could take a photo. Although we didn't see many manatees, there were a lot of other animals to look at as well. Back on the island, we browsed the shops and then we headed to the beach. The beach was super crowded, but 2 chairs opened up just as we arrived. The next morning in Costa Maya, we joined a cooking class and learned to make fresh salsas and guacamole from scratch, sipping on tequila and margaritas the whole time. We then had a short salsa dancing lesson before we went to the beach. A short walk outside brought us to the most beautiful beach we had seen all week. The sand was soft, the atmosphere was calm and laid back, and the water was unbelievably clear. Huge schools of fish swimming right near the shore, no snorkel mask needed, you could see everything just standing above the water. It was the perfect way to make up for the murky water at all the other beaches we've been to. The next day I took advantage of the short lines at all the water slides on the ship. We took in the panorama of sunshine on our last day of the cruise, drinking our last drinks and soaking up the last of our sun. All in all, we had a fantastic time on this cruise and would do it all over again if we could. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if you want to follow our adventures in the future.